Hey guys, Derek here. So this should be the wash and cure station that I have ordered from AlliExpress. It was meant to arrive a couple of days ago by DHL, but DHL for some reason said that they delivered it at 8 o'clock in the morning and they never did. So obviously it's here now. And this is my unboxing of it. Okay, so in the box all it is for four squares, four right angles just to hold it in place. Wash and cure manual, Anycubic. All the details are in here. Okay, so we have power supply, power brick, and we have the wrong cable. This is for EU or possibly US. You can tell me. It's the two pronged, but obviously I've got plenty of power leads. In here we have a couple of tools. We have after sales card. It's quite nice to have. We have the pass mark. We have one bearing and a couple of Allen keys. Okay, so just want to make sure there is nothing in there. Plenty of packaging material, nice and solid. Okay. I'll put it on its head just for a second. Take the bottom part off. Take off the cover. Some more packaging material. Some more packaging material. Nice little wedge here. Right, so we have in here is the washing chamber. We have the turntable, have keep cool and ventilated, so this is the seal to go over. In here we have the metal bracket. One metal bracket here. Another metal bracket. We have the dunker for the part. The turntable. In here is the rest of the vat, and there is a spinner at the bottom. Taking off this middle part, which will have the rest of the unit. There's the rest of the unit. Do not spill any washing liquid onto the platform. You've got the ultraviolet LEDs here. Nice switch, obviously on and off, and that is it. That is what you get. So I will be trying this out pretty soon. This is the wash and cure station unboxing from Anycubic. I am going to be posting some videos later with the results. I'm doing a print as we speak, and it's 50%, so that'll be a good little tester for me to use. Other than that, I will post my upcoming videos straight after this. So this is the unboxing, and I will do the rest of it after this. Okay, see you soon.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hi guys, Derek here. So I've just filled up the vat with some floor cleaner, due to the fact that watching Uncle Jesse's YouTube channel, it said IPA was the worst on cleaning these resin prints when they first come out, and he used different sort of cleaners which you can get, which is fairly cheap, a lot cheaper than buying IPA, and so that's what I've done. So I've got the tub in place. I've filled up the tub with the floor cleaner. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so you've got two selections. You've got wash or cure. So you select cure. Wash. Here's my part here that I've just printed off. I'm gonna take it off the build surface that's empty and pick it up. Obviously I've got my gloves on. Pick it up, and I'm going to pop it in there like so. Drop that down. Put on the lid in place. I'm going to select 4 minutes to wash and start. What it does, it spins like a fan blade at the bottom, which will agitate everything and start cleaning it. I will let this continue. I'll let it wash the item, and I'll come back when we are ready to take it out and cure it.
A few minutes later.
Okay, and we're back. So it's just finished off the wash cycle. I had it on for 4 minutes. It went, this fan blade spun round one way for 2 minutes and then the other way for 2 minutes. It's just finished. A bit like a microwave where it beeps a couple of times to say it's finished. So I'm going to take it out now. I've still got one glove on. I've taken the other glove off because obviously this item should be washed now. And take off the top. Take the item out. that back in there, give it a bit of a rinse. Okay, so it's obviously still got a few bubbles on there, but I'll quickly dry it off, take off the supports. Okay, so I've taken off majority of the supports. It's a Martian to Marvin. Take off a few more supports just here. I mostly used heavy supports where I shouldn't have. I should have just used medium supports. But this is a different profile that I am using. And the top piece just came off his helmet. But never mind, I can still use majority of him. So I will remove the vat. I will add the build plate, which is just a turntable. There we go, that's in place. I've done a bit of a kitchen roll just to put on there. It shouldn't interfere with anything, and I'll pop the object on like so. Take off my glove, pop this back on, select cure. I'm going to leave it for 4 minutes and start. So it does make a bit of a noise. Obviously the LED UV lights have just come on, and that will cure it. Oh, actually, if I take this off, it remembers its location. It's indicating that something's happened. I'll pop that behind him just to keep him upright. Pop it back on. And it starts again. So I'm going to, just in case someone comes along and just lifts it up, it automatically stops everything going on, just to make sure that nothing else can happen. So I'll leave that on now and let that finish, and I'll come back to you when it's done.
A few minutes later.
Okay, and that has done the 4-minute cycle. A bit like a microwave once again, it does 3 beeps telling you that it's done, and it just freezes there. So I'll take off the top, pop out Marvin. Okay, so it looks cured to me. I'm going to, obviously they're a bit firmer. I'm going to pop it back in for another 4 minutes. As you can see, still some of the parts are still a little bit tacky, so I'll put it in for another 4 minutes, and then I'll come back. So I'll just pop that in like so. Let's take that out, leave it like that. Pop this back on. And start again for another 4 minutes, and I'll be right back.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, so it's just done the 4 minutes cycle once again. It only goes round one way, it doesn't go round another way. I'm guessing it's because it can still get the UV penetration on the whole of the object. Take it off. It's still a bit tacky, but then again, the resin should have cured now. What I could have done is given it a bit of a wash, a bit of a clean, a better clean. That's my result on this. Maybe I should have put this item into where are we? Oh, into one of these with some water, and then just give it a quick rinse before popping it on here for it to cure. But other than that, it's done the item. There's Marvin. He's come out okay. I've got no issues apart from taking off the rest of the supports, but it seems fine. The item itself was easy to use, very simple. It goes well with a resin printer. I've got an Anycubic. It also comes with a stand, an adjustable stand here, which you could pop in there and then pop your build plate on there as such, and then you can wash it in the vat with the holder as well if you wanted. I used the other way of doing it. To me, this cost £177 on AlliExpress. I brought it with my own money. It wasn't donated or given to me or anything by Anycubic. So these are my own opinions. Would I recommend it? I would, if you didn't want to have other parts to wash and cure. So before I had one of these with IPA in it, where I used to just rinse it out and then pop it under another station, which is my UV curing station with one of those turntables, and it's like spread all over the office, where here it's just in one location and it can all be done just here. Would I recommend it? I would to beginners. If they had the budget for it, I would say yes, grab one. It has just come out on Amazon, but it's it's £230 on Amazon at the moment, where I got it for just under £180, so I saved £50 from AlliExpress. It's completely up to you guys if you want to buy one, but I would recommend it to a beginner. It saves a lot of hassle and a lot of cleanup afterwards when you're doing this, and obviously it's on a timer as well, so you can adjust the time to whatever your preference is. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks if you stayed this long, thank you very much. Please give us a like if you do, or subscribe to me. My subscribe should be over here somewhere. If you subscribe, that'd be great. I will leave the links to the item and the video to Uncle Jessie's about using different cleaners for resin prints in the description. Okay, once again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you do like it, obviously once again, please like the video. If not, dislike it, let me know what you want me to change about it, and make sure you subscribe. Once again, be yourselves. Alright, see you later. Bye.